Hey guys, YouTube people, I'm going to review, my Star Wars figure of Boba Fett. So here he is, Boba Fett. Okay, he has an awesome helmet. 10 I lost, obviously, decades ago. He kind of has like this little backpack right there. I'll tell you about later on. And he has like little. This is Submarine 94, by the way. Talking to you. Here's his little grappling hook and stuff like that, and his little gauntlets. Very nice, sculptured feet. Well, wish I can show it to you, but here's his gun. Right there. Okay, so, like I said, his backpack is removable. Just, take it off. And there it is, jetpack, backpack, thingamabob. And it picks easily right into Boba Fett. Figure's head's on a ball hinge joint, so you can't take off the mask or anything. It's just left on there. Magnificent detail on them. Even the cape is just magnificent. Everything about this toy is magnificent. I would not lie to you about that. Anyway, subscribe to my friend Dusk1181 because he said he's gonna do some toy reviews. Hope they're good. Anyway, and subscribe to me, SilverMoon94, and rate and comment, subscribe. And rate and comment as well, because I have not gotten any comments on my channel forever. But anyway, this is SilverMoons94 saying the faded galaxy lies within your hands always.